Experience the pinnacle of audio excellence with the WBC Ultimate Assembly Range speaker cables. Crafted from 7AWG ultra-pure oxygen-free copper, these cables redefine clarity and fidelity in audio reproduction. The 0.08 mm ultra-fine strands ensure minimal signal loss, delivering deep lows, rich mids, and crisp highs with unparalleled detail. Each cable is meticulously assembled with Eminence 24K gold-plated banana plugs, offering superior corrosion resistance and a secure connection. Not just about performance, these cables are a statement of luxury. The carbon tweed jacket and handcrafted embroidered labeling exude sophistication, complementing high-end audio setups effortlessly. The attention to detail extends to the soldering process, using WBC's proprietary 4% silver blend for enhanced conductivity and durability. Whether you're a discerning audiophile or gifting to one, the WBC Ultimate Assembly Range stands out. Each pair is custom-made with care, housed in a premium gift box that adds to its appeal. These cables aren't just accessories. They're a testament to WBC's commitment to audio perfection. Transform your listening experience with the best-in-class speaker cables from WBC.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.